Good morning, everybody. How you doing? Right now, I'm waiting for my buddy Rafa Zavala at Port Royal State Park. Yeah, been up since 4:15 this morning, and believe me, it's a rush like no other. But I feel good. I feel great right now. I had my coffee, and here surrounded by nature. Listen. Pretty epic, huh? So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Deuces. So I'm here with my buddy. He finally made it. We've been here maybe what, 10-15 minutes? Yeah, 10 or 15 minutes. And the views are amazing. Look at that. There's the spot we're waiting for the sunrise to come up, especially with those clouds right there. It's gonna be amazing. And right over there, that area, there's a hawk. The silhouette is amazing when that sun comes up and catches it right. It's gonna be awesome. So on this side of the bridge, yeah, we're on the bridge. 1 and 2. Look at this part. So right there, there's a pillar, and there's a pillar right there over there. It's kind of crumbled up now, but there used to be a bridge right there in that area, and that looks amazing. Check that out. Yeah, the clouds are rolling by real quick. So it might rain, it might not rain, but it doesn't call for rain today. It just calls for hot and humid day. So we'll see how that goes. But yes, our goal right now is to try to capture that area right there. Look at that sky. Wow. Bye. So we were up there, top of the bridge up there, and we decided to come down. So we walked all that, came down these stairs. The park is not open yet. It's kind of funny. We were talking about that. It's what, almost 6:16 and the park hasn't opened yet. But hey, we're making it happen. This is beautiful. The river here splits that way and that way. And right now, that's our setup. Yeah, look at that. If you can see, I don't know if you can see that big ass branch over there. So that tells you that all this floods when it's bad weather. Yes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 or 6 big pieces of branches up there. But this is what we're trying to do right now: capture the sunrise through there and using a crystal ball. So we'll see where this ends at. Beautiful. Check that view. So we're in another part of the park. We were down there next to the bridge. I mean, yeah, kind of under next to the bridge, and it was pretty nice. We got a couple of shots and everything, but as you can see, they haven't given it too much love to this park, which this park is amazing. As you can see, look, all that. They just have that trail right there, the one that goes that way and the one that goes under the bridge. But look, all this. They could make some nice trails right through there. And then they got this area right here where down there the kayakers unload and they go through the whole river and everything. Oh, look at the crane. Look. Amazing. But yes, that's it, you know. And then they have the bridge, kind of whatever, which is a nice bridge. It's closed on the other side, so nobody could go right over there where Rafa is at, kind of. But it's a nice setup. It's a nice place, you know. But they need to give it a little bit of more love, you know. Right now it's 6:47 and the gates, there's one gate here and 2 gates over there are closed still. So, and you know, nobody has been able to come and unload their kayaks and go kayaking around here. But hey, what can we do? So for now, we're just gonna take a couple of more shots of this bridge and stuff, and then we're gonna just head out. All right, so thank you for watching, thank you for viewing. I'll add a couple of shots that I took and that little itty bitty time lapse that I did I'll add it there too. So thank you so much, and you have a great day. Deuces. So check this out. Earlier we were down there next to the bridge in the bottom over there, and I extended my tripod, as you saw earlier. This beautiful, awesome Manfrotto tripod. But dig this. Yes, I don't know, like Rafa said, how much water can this take?
It's like a sponge.
Exactly. So check that out. And it's still dripping. It wet him on the side right there, and it wet my camera. But hey, it is what it is, right? All for that epic shot. And look at this. It's... holy God! Look at that!
I should have held a cup under it to see how much we could get.
God! So yeah, those are the little adventures and bloopers we get on these shoots. All right, deuces, bye.